Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Azdome dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 3 best Azdome dashcam to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Azdome M300S car recorders. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Display, LCD. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video code, H.264. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 128GB. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 800 mega. GPS logger, internal. Interface, SD/MMC, USB 2.0. Frames per second, 30. The item number 2 is Azdome GS63H dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2880 by 2160. Video code, H.264. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Frames per second, 60. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Azdome M553 channel dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video code, H.264. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX307. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30.